Congratulations on purchasing the custom keto plan. Your order is not quite finished yet. You've made a smart choice, and here's why. You ordered this because you wanted to lose weight, and that's exactly what it's going to do for you. How would you like to get 3 times the results, twice as fast? How would you like to get those unwanted pounds off in just days? This offer is not for everyone. We're only making it available to you because you proved you're an action taker when you took advantage of the custom keto plan. So I'm going to make you a special, one-time offer that's only available right here, right now. What I'm going to share with you right now will help to get the results in. Everything you need to overcome finally lose weight and get results in a matter of days. I have another product called acidaburn. I don't have time to go over everything inside of the product because we could be here for hours, but one of the strategies inside that will give you the results you're looking for fast is the herbs that are used. Acidaburn is an all-natural weight loss supplement that does not have any chemicals or preservatives. Let me explain to you what it is and how it can help you. Along with a proper diet and exercise, acidaburn can aid in reducing deep body fat by relying on a golden ratio of herbs such as aloe vera, black walnut, flax seeds, and psyllium husk. And that is just one of the things that you'll learn with this product. Can you imagine what life will be like when you have acidaburn? So click the button below right now to add acidaburn to your order. It will work. If for any reason, you are not completely satisfied with your acidaburn bonuses and extras, we don't want your money. You can request a 100% refund for up to 90 days. No questions asked. You have absolutely zero risk. If you act now, you'll receive a weight loss manual guide, value at $17 for free. Also, acidaburn is available on my website for $99. But right now you have this one chance to get it for only $59. This one-time offer is only available right here, right now. When you leave this page, the opportunity will be gone. Don't miss your chance to a healthy and easier life. But don't just take my word for it. So click the button now.